Okay, here we are with the dash off. It's quite a job. You have to remove the shifter. You have to loosen this assembly and basically pull it to the back. A few plugs to connectors to unplug. Here we had to disconnect the shifter from the shift lock assembly. So it is involved. It is involved. Well, as you can see, there's plenty of parts laying around. Lock this before you drop it and it becomes a disaster. There you go. Here's the dash. Passenger side, driver side, and we're going to be cutting into this trim to install the head-up display. Let's give you a quick overview. So, connectors that need to be routed still. That's the light module here. Head-up display goes here, but behind these there's nothing. So you have to basically install, see the plugs here? You have to install the spots where the connectors or the bolts would screw into. It's not an easy removal. I know because I've tried it before. So I'll take my time with this off camera, because these are, I think they're glued in place if anything. You have to remove this, otherwise you won't be able to install. I think it's 1 or 2 bolts and it comes off. There are a few connectors that need to go into the light module. I'm gonna clean up some wiring here. Yeah, so I'd call this maybe a quarter of the way in. It is funny, but it's true. There's a lot of work involved. Okay, I'll keep going.